Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Tomo Boost membership. So the first thing you need to do is open up tomocredit.com/boost website, and then once you on website simply click on this login button, and after this simply enter your email, password and then log in your account. Once you log in your account, simply navigate to the Tom Boost settings and look for a section called credit limit section. So simply click on that and follow the prompts to cancel Tomo Boost. So there may be button or option that says cancel or disable Tomo Boost. So simply click on that and you will be asked to confirm your decision to cancel. Ensure that you follow through any confirmation prompts, and just like that you can cancel your Tomo Boost account membership. And if you can't find that option, you can also contact Tomo Boost customer service and then tell them that you want to cancel your subscription and they will cancel for you. So that is how to do and cancel your Tomo Boost membership. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.